Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video with the Control key plus the numbers on your keyboard that are above your keyboard letters. This time I'm going to do one about the Alt key, and I've already done 3. I've done 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to hit the number 1 on my keyboard, and I can change those to green. I'm going to hit the number 2, and I can change those to light blue. I'm going to hit the number 3, or number 4, number 3, and change them to purple. So I'm just going to show you. Let me zoom in here. We're going to click on that, hold down the Alt plus the 5. Alt plus 5. Alt plus 5. Alt plus 5. And all I'm doing is kind of link them together. So now all I have to do is hit the number 5 on my keyboard, and I can make those colors. I can have no fill. I can have a red outline. I can have an orange outline. I can fill them in with blue. And I could still go back to 1, just hitting the number 1 and changing those to blue. I can go to 2 and change them to green. I can left click and right click and do whatever I want to with them. And then I can go back to 5, change those to red. So if you had a bunch of work around, it's not that big a deal, but it is kind of a fun process. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.